Hello everyone, this video is for Biology 22 Human Physiology class. Let's have a quick look at your syllabus and discuss some key points. This course is mainly built around this book, The Human Physiology by Fox and Rompolsky. And you'll see that most of the content in your lectures and in the notes are covered from this book. There will be several different kinds of assessments. Let's first talk about group discussions. During your lecture on Tuesday, you will be provided a handout. You can fill that handout during the lecture, and at the end of the lecture, we can have discussion on those handouts. Whatever answers are given by each group, they will be graded based on that, and you will get a score live in your class. Second is weekly quiz. Weekly quiz are in the beginning of class on Thursday, and their schedule is given in your syllabus. The idea is we'll have some basic foundation in the discussion from the handouts, and then we'll build on that knowledge from the notes. The files that are given a name starting with notes or ending with notes will be the one that are used for the questions here. Then you have homework. They are also given specific due dates. Most of the homeworks are just simple drawings or diagrams or labeling some diagrams. You have already seen them. And then in the end, you have a research assignment, which will be a research paper or an original peer-reviewed manuscript that you have to discuss or analyze for this class. Now let's have a look at the files in Canvas. You have the name of the topic. If in parentheses it says lecture, these are only the slides that I have presented in the class. If it says handouts, then handouts are given to you in the class for filling out, and we'll have group discussions on these handouts. Notes are the elaborate summaries of the lecture. You can read them on your own. If you have questions, you can ask me. But our exams and the quiz will be from the notes. And then you have clinical relevance. These files are only for those people who are preparing for nursing, and they will not be specifically asked in the exam. They are only for your extra reading. Now let's have a look at your weekly schedule. Let's say, for example, we are looking at week 4. In week 4 on Tuesday, we'll have a lecture on interaction between cell and extracellular environment. At the end of the lecture, we will have group discussion from the handouts. The same week, you have a homework due on module 4. On Thursday, we will do simulation on excitable cells, and then we'll have a quiz on module 3 and 4. Because you see in week 5 you have an exam, so through quiz 1 and 2 we'll be able to revise or create a foundation of all these 4 modules, which will be tested on exam 1 on the week 5. So this class does need a lot of reading, memorization, but the goal is to make everything easier through different modules or through different ways of assessing you. We have group discussions which lay the first foundation, then we have homework, we have quiz, which will actually prepare you for exam 1. And we already have this distribution. We are not focusing the whole entire score on the exam itself. You have all other opportunities to earn more score for this class. And you must have noticed that I'm very easy with my grades. Only if you score less than 35%, you get an F. Anyone who scores 85 or higher gets an A. And my goal is for all of you to learn as much as you can from this class, grab the concepts, and get out with an A from this class. And I'm here to help. These are my office hours, and this is the location of my office. If anyone needs any help with concepts, ideas, resources, you can come talk to me and we can work on how to make this course easier for you. But yes, this this course does need an effort, and I hope that you all will put effort and get the maximum score out of this class.